heard about 3D printing? My name is Felipe Can and I'm going to teach you how to create CAD models with Tinkercad for 3D printing. I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial. Thank you. So we are already in step 1. We're going to step 2. Position the shape on the target. Just drag the light brown construction to the area outlined in orange. Then go next. And you did it. Pressing with the left mouse. Pressing, and then you can see who is behind the curtain. Just drag anywhere in the view queue and you will see how it changes the point of view. So right, front, left, front. You want to be exactly in the front, just click home view. That's the beginning. And then you can see top, go back, and then you can see the bottom. Okay, so anytime you don't know where you are, just click home view. We'll get there. Step 3, learn to zoom. If you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, use it for zooming in and out. I'm using my scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Step 4, let's look around faster. Now you have seen how to rotate using the view cube in the Tinkercad editor. And this is for users who have a touchpad. If you want to use your touchpad, you can either press Ctrl and left click while you drag, or simply right click and drag if you have your touchpad set up for accepting right clicks. And let's go to step 5. Congratulations, you did it. Great job. This is lesson 3, creating holes. Step 2, it's time to create some holes, so let's get started. Drag a blue polygon shape to the work plane and place it in the area outlined in orange. Did you know you can change any shape into a hole tool? Yep, you can select the polygon by clicking it. Then you can select the hole option in the inspector window here in the near upper right corner of the editor window. Next. Now you have to select both options. In my case, I'm going to drag the mouse pressing the left part. Draw a square and then I can select both objects. Now I click the group button in the toolbar menu. Next. Congratulations, you did it. Now you can make holes to remove material from your design. Great job. This is lesson 4. Scale, copy and paste. Let's start. Step 2. Add shapes to the work plane. Begin by finding the orange cylinder in the basic shapes list on the right side of the browser. It's here. Now click on the cylinder and drag it over the work plane. Continue to the next step. Let's try one more time. Go ahead and add another cylinder to the work plane. Next, scale your cylinder. Click on the orange cylinder and drag the white dot on top of the shape. Make it 15 millimeters. So this is the one. So again, you can see here, but it doesn't allow me. Okay, let's do something else. Let's move this here. Now click on it. Okay, now you see this white dot. Press it. It says 20. Drag it down to 15, 18, 16, 15. 15. Okay. Next step. Okay, let's add one more cylinder. This time let's copy one of the cylinders that is already on the work plane. Select the cylinder you want to copy. I want to copy this one. Oh no, this one. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard for Windows and Command C Mac for Macs. Press anywhere in the work plane, let's say here, and a Ctrl V. Is here. Okay. Next, scale the last cylinder. The last cylinder needs to be 10 millimeters tall. Okay, so let's say this one. Okay, so let's drag it here so we can see it better. And remember the white dot on top of the shape. Press it and drag it down to 10, 15, 14, 12, 11, 9, 10. Next. Ooh, congratulations. You're awesome. Great job. Lesson 5. Now we need to export our CAD model to 3D printing. What we are going to do is click on the export button here. It says download for 3D printing. Click on it. And it gives you two options. Everything in the design means the whole thing or just the selected shapes. So in this case, we need to select the shapes. Remember, click on it, and then shift, click, and then shift and click. Now let's try again. Export only the selected three shapes. Now you need to choose between .stl and .obj. In this case, we need to choose .stl because it's for 3D printing, and this is the one we are working on. Also, you have the options to download a 2D for laser cutting, but that's a different lesson. So for now, you have to include only the selected three shapes and download as .str. If I click here, it will take me to the 3D printing. In this case, I don't have a 3D printing connected, so this is the end of the lesson 5. Thank you. Hello, I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial. See you next time. Thank you.